Right, what we have today is one of my often cheap eBay scores, and we have a MT PWS 2.3 three-phase reference standard and current voltage phase and so on angle analyzer. And I've already taken it out of its rubber housing. I've already removed the screws and I've looked inside it already. This thing came from a seller called Computer Disposals Limited, and it's quite good because it still works, so I've been rather careful taking it apart. What we'll look at today is what's inside it. This is quite interesting to me really, because this is a $13,000 piece of equipment. We've got a little board on the top here with some LCD drive circuitry, some button stuff down here. On the outside you can see all that. And on the inside here, over here we've got all the input filtering, the big capacitors which are ROE, don't know if that's good enough, but I guess so. And we've got an Atmel chip here of some sort. We've got this is a main processor here under this RS-232 cable. Got a super cap under here as well. Got our input cables from the outside here. We have a switch mode power supply here, and a little feedback wire coming off of that. Over here we've got all our main inputs. Nice LEMO connectors on the front here, very expensive. Very good connectors. We have our 4mm banana plug connectors for our current measurements and motor connections. I think these are. What we have here is quite interesting. I think this is a three-phase current transformer with hall sensors in it. Got 3 wires and 3 connectors, so I think 3 wires is usually a hall sensor. So got 1 connector for each phase, and that's about it really. Soon I'll have a video out about a GSM analyzer data logger thing, because I've got one of those as well now. And we'll have a look at these, a little treat for one of the other videos I'll be doing soon about big capacitor banks. I've got very large capacitors now. Most of you will think these ones are large, but what I've got these ones, which are quite good, but I won't be talking about those today. I'll do that in a separate video. Anyway, that's what's inside a $13,000 test thing.